Hello children, welcome back to class of physics by Ashish Sharma sir. We are back here with the new video, that is the topic under current electricity, cells and batteries. So when we begin with the cell and battery, आपने देखा है कि आपके घरों में जो हमारे सभी के घर में जो वॉच होती है उसमें एक सेल लगता है. वॉच बंद हो जाती है, हम सेल को रिप्लेस करते हैं. व्हाट इज दैट सेल? बेसिकली the cylindrical shape, one terminal is positive, another terminal is negative. What is that? Here we store the energy in terms of chemicals there. उसके अंदर जो chemicals हैं उसके फॉर्म में एनर्जी स्टोर होती है. केमिकल एक्शन की वजह से जो एनर्जी हमको मिलती है in terms of electric current. So cell is a device for producing electric current by chemical action called electrochemical cell. Okay. There are two types of cell, primary cells and secondary cells. Primary cells which are these batteries, जो हम एक बार यूज किया, बंद हो गया, खत्म हो गया, we throw it and we replace it. Okay, so these actually convert the chemical energy stored in it into electrical energy. Okay, and the process which is taking place is irreversible chemical reaction. Why? Because once the chemical energy is getting converted to electrical energy, we are not able to use it again. Okay, it cannot be recharged. Obviously, when it is irreversible chemical reaction, it cannot be recharged. Examples like voltaic cell, Leclanché cell, Daniell cell, all these comes under primary cell, right? Secondary cell, you will find in secondary cells the electrical energy is first it stored in a chemical energy, that is charging. जो हम बैटरी यूज करते हैं, चार्जेबल जो बैटरी यूज होती है, हम उसको क्या करते हैं, पहले इलेक्ट्रिकल सॉकेट में लगाते हैं एंड देन वी गेट इट चार्ज्ड. सो दैट इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी इज गेटिंग कन्वर्टेड टू केमिकल एनर्जी. केमिकल एनर्जी में स्टोर हो गया एंड देन वी फाइंड दैट ड्यूरिंग डिस्चार्ज, दैट इज व्हेन वी यूज इट, that chemical energy is converted to electrical energy. That means these secondary cells are rechargeable cells, right? We can recharge those cells and there the process taking place is reversible chemical reaction, because we are again and again we can use that energy. For example, lead accumulator, nickel iron cell, and there are many more also. So these are the two types of cells, primary cells and secondary cells. Then we come to battery. Battery is nothing but the combination of cells. So many cells connected together gives us the name battery. So two or more cells or accumulators electrically connected, we call them battery. Then what is the capacity? उसकी capacity कितनी होती है बैटरी की? That capacity means ability to store the charge. कितने चार्ज को वो स्टोर कर सकता है, that is called the is, or it is measured in ampere hour, AH, ampere hour. This is the large unit. 1 ampere hour we can write ampere, coulomb upon second. So 1 coulomb upon second, hours will be 3600 seconds. This will give you 3600 coulombs. Means it will be storing these much charge in 1 ampere hour. मतलब एक घंटे में 3600 कूलम्स चार्ज को वो स्टोर कर सकता है. ओके, सो वी हैव कवर्ड द टॉपिक सेल, टाइप्स ऑफ सेल, बैटरी, कैपेसिटी ऑफ द बैटरी. नाउ वी विल बिगिन विद द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव फोर्स. नाउ वी विल टेक इलेक्ट्रोमोटिव फोर्स विच वी कॉल इट EMF. ये जो EMF है, it is basically, it is not the force, it is the energy. Which energy? Energy is nothing but work done. We define this as the amount of work done by the cell in moving a unit positive charge, unit positive charge through it from lower potential, that is negative terminal, to the higher potential, positive terminal. You can see we have taken the two electrodes inside an electrolyte connected to external resistance R. If we do not connect to the external path, then current will not flow. But what we are saying here, this work done or energy of the cell which will be utilized in doing work equal to the amount of वर्क विच वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एज द ईएमएफ. एक्चुअली वो क्या है कि कितना वर्क करना पड़ रहा है नेगेटिव टर्मिनल से पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल की तरफ चार्ज को जाने में, राइट? होगा क्या, चार्जेस विल मूव लाइक दिस, some work will be done here, it will be coming like this here. Then when you find when the charge moves from here to here and to this electrode, it is opposed by the internal resistance of the cell. ये क्या हो रहा है, जो वर्क उसको करना पड़ रहा है, जो एनर्जी उसकी यूज हो रही है, वो कहाँ हो रही है? एक तो इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस को जो अपोज हो रहा है, इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस का जो अपोज हो रहा है उसको ओवरकम करने के लिए, और दूसरा एक्सटर्नल रेजिस्टेंस जो आपने लगाया उसको. तो ये जो वर्क डन है दैट इज ईएमएफ. वी रिप्रेजेंट इट इज एज E is equal to say dW by dQ. What it is? It is the dW is the work done by cell in moving dq charge. Okay, here we can write this dW equal to E dq. लिख सकते हैं. अब देखिए इसको क्या करें, dt से डिफाइन करो, dt से डिवाइड करो, we will get something other expression and see what we are getting. This is work done per unit time will give you power. EMF dq by dt will give you I. You can see here, if we take I equal to 1, then this will be equal to, EMF will be equal to nothing but the power delivered by the cell in maintaining unit current flow through it. So this EMF can also be defined in terms of power. The potential difference across the ends of the terminals of the cell when the current is not drawn from it. That means it is open circuit. Okay. अब यदि हमने करंट ड्रॉ किया या सर्किट को क्लोज कर दिया तो क्या होगा? When the circuit is closed, circuit is completed, current will start flowing. When the current will start flowing, then that is called terminal potential or terminal voltage or simply the voltage. जब सर्किट क्लोज्ड है और करंट इज ड्रॉन, देन इट इज कॉल्ड टर्मिनल वोल्टेज. ये देखिए, ये क्वेश्चन 1 मार्क में आता है, 2 मार्क्स में भी आ जाता है, टू डिफरेंशिएट द ईएमएफ एंड टर्मिनल वोल्टेज. वी हैव कवर्ड ईएमएफ ऑफ द सेल एंड टर्मिनल वोल्टेज ऑफ द सेल. नाउ वी कम टू द इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द सेल. ओके, द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफर्ड बाय इलेक्ट्रोड्स एंड इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स. This is the resistance offered by electrodes and electrolytes of the cell when electric current flows through it. That means circuit is closed. We are drawing the current through the cell. It depends on area of the plates. How? Inversely proportional. Plate area ज़्यादा, internal resistance कम. Plate area कम, internal resistance ज़्यादा. R directly proportional to D, where D is distance between the plates. दोनों प्लेट के बीच का सेपरेशन. इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू T. T इज टेम्परेचर ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रोलाइट. इलेक्ट्रोलाइट का जो टेम्परेचर होगा उस पर भी EMF डिपेंड करता है. डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू कंसंट्रेशन, इट विल डिपेंड ऑन कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ द electrolytes. And fifth one, obviously it will depend on nature of the electrolyte. So now we will take the relation between internal resistance R of the cell, EMF of the cell E, and the terminal potential V. Okay, for this I have drawn the circuit diagram. You see, I have taken a cell and its internal resistance is R, small r, connected to a external resistance capital R, and here the circuit is closed. Circuit is closed, that means current will be drawn. Okay, now you see here, what is the definition of EMF? That is the work done in carrying unit positive charge in the closed path. कौन कर रहा है work done? By the cell. So work done by cell in carrying a unit charge along the क्लोज्ड पाथ. ओके, अब जब चार्ज को यहां से लेकर इस पूरे पाथ में फ्लो करना है, सो टू थिंग्स आर देयर. वन कैपिटल R, अनदर वन इज स्मॉल r, विच आर अपोजिंग द फ्लो ऑफ चार्ज. सो दैट मीन्स वर्क विल बी डन बाय द सेल इन कैरिंग दैट यूनिट चार्ज फ्रॉम A टू B. यहां से लेकर यहां तक किसके अगेंस्ट में चलेगा? R के, क्योंकि R वहां अपोज कर रहा है जब चार्ज A से B जा रहा है. प्लस किसके अपोज में और जाना है उसको? किसका अपोज, कौन अपोज कर रहा है उसका? इंटरनल रेजिस्टेंस R ऑफ द सेल. सो देन प्लस द वर्क डन इन कैरिंग द चार्ज फ्रॉम B टू A अगेंस्ट R. दैट ओनली आई हैव रिटन. सो वी कैन राइट सपोज E इज इक्वल टू V प्लस V dash. So from Ohm's law, what we can write? V is equal to IR plus another one, V dash is equal to IR. Substitute here. So therefore we can write E is equal to IR plus IR. So this E is equal to I capital R plus small r. This will give you current I equal to E upon R plus R. This is the current which is flowing through this closed path, right? Now when the current is flowing, the potential difference V, कितना लेंगे पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस V? V इज इक्वल टू IR. V इज इक्वल टू IR. यही एक्सटर्नल रेजिस्टेंस के क्रॉस पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, जो पोटेंशियल ड्रॉप हो रहा है, दैट विल सी. सो V इज इक्वल टू करंट वी हैव E अपॉन R प्लस R इंटू R. दिस इज द पोटेंशियल. ओके, another one, from here we can write, you can see here, say suppose if I write this as equation number 1. So from 1 we have V is equal to E minus V dash. So terminal potential is equal to E minus IR. This is the relation which has got very much importance in reasoning questions, numericals, everywhere you will find the questions coming from this. Questions are asked from this. If we take current is 0, मान लीजिए करंट फ्लो नहीं हो रहा है, ओपन सर्किट है, so that V will be equal to EMF. Then obviously when we are saying when no current is drawn, that potential will be equal to EMF of the cell, right? So we have covered this also. So this way we have covered all these topics of current electricity which we are doing under the heading cells. Okay, we will come with few more videos, and please watch again and again so that all these concepts are clear to you. Okay, I am sure you will like the video. Subscribe it and share it to the maximum. Thank you everyone.